I love dahlias. And every spring, I throw on my old jeans and floppy hat and get ready to plant about 50 of them. During the winter, I look at catalogs and websites and pick out which new varieties I want to add to the ones that are already in the ground. I usually order about 20 more and make sure I have a nice selection of different colors and forms. To plant a tuber, I prepare the soil, adding some bone meal and a bit of new topsoil. Cover them up and trust something is happening under there. Then I repeat again and again and again. And then I wait. Dahlias are an investment. You plant them in the spring, the flowers don't really come into their own until late summer. Then the reward comes. When the garden's in full swing, I can harvest a couple of armloads of flowers every 3 or 4 days or so. I distribute them all over the house and I share them with neighbors and friends. While I'm planting, the rest of the garden keeps me company. There's always something in bloom, and there's usually a visitor or two. I love cut flowers, and dahlias are cut and come again. The more you harvest, the more blooms they produce. Dahlias provide a harvest that's more bountiful than any other plant on earth.